Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. I am Priyank Panchal and today I'd like to show you all the comparison between Windows and Mac. I'll be covering style, user interface, speed, software support, battery, performance, viruses, app store, trackpad and keyboard and the price of the products. Starting with the styles, today I have with me this is the MacBook Pro 13-inch and this is the Lenovo G500S. First, the MacBook Pro. The design of this laptop is just awesome. This is thin as well as lightweight. This symbol over here brights up with the help of the brightness when the laptop is running. It looks the best when it starts. This is the laptop from inside. This is the complete screen. This is the keyboard with the backlight and a trackpad. This laptop is an i5 processor, 500 GB hard disk and 4 GB RAM. Now the Lenovo G500S, even this laptop got a good stunning looks, not even that heavy. This laptop got a beautiful keyboard over here with the numeric functions over here, and the trackpad of this is not as smooth as MacBook, but it's good. This laptop is an i3 processor with 4 GB RAM and 500 GB hard disk. Now I'd like to show you the difference when the lights are off. Lights off. First, the MacBook Pro. As I said, the backlights are beautiful when the laptop is on. No need to do any lights on when you're working on it. And the symbol over there. It looks just awesome, man. This laptop cuts a beautiful looks. A superb thing for a superb benefit of Apple. No problem in the night works. Now on the Windows, this laptop doesn't have the backlight thing, so it got a tough time when to work on the night. You need to bend the screen and to work. This laptop is just a simple laptop, nothing, no backlight or the another light with the laptop. Now talking about the performance and the user interface. The MacBook Pro has a classic interface with it. The menu option is just this. It's just like an iPhone. You can see all the applications over here. It's very easy to use. One more thing, you get your favorites. I mean, they can be kept over here, and like the menu bar in the Windows, you get all the stuff over here. This is one of the best thing of Mac. It gets a notification bar over here. This notification bar is especially a superb thing in Mac. It is same as the iPhone notification thing. It gets a quick to tweet, a click to post, and the calendar sync there with the help of Facebook and other stuff. This is the list of all users over here. It gets a time directly over here. You can even see it a digital way and analog way. This is the battery percentage. It shows the percentage as well as the normal thing. I must say Mac gets a superb battery. It says 7 hours battery backup, and it gives 7 hours battery backup. The volume of Mac is superb. You can't even find the speakers on the Mac. They are behind the case of the Mac, and behind the case of the keyboard. The Wi-Fi is amazing. It has got a superb network over here. The Wi-Fi catch around 2 to 3 bedroom, which on another laptop doesn't even catch on the one room. The Bluetooth is good. Unlike iPhone, don't think that MacBook doesn't have the Bluetooth or doesn't connect with any devices. It do connect with devices. This is the time machine. This is the backup machine for the Mac. This is the list of your message thing. You can keep them offline, invisible, available, surfing on web, etc. Clicking on this Apple logo, you get the information about the Mac. So you can see it is the OS X version 10.8.5. It's 2.5 GHz Intel Core i5 processor with 4 GB RAM. Another thing is the software update, app store, system preference, dock setting. Dock is the one thing which I said you before. Recent items, this is good. for square hardly 0.01% time the app get hanged in MacBook. This is a very special thing. It doesn't hang sometimes, not even sometimes. I mean, if they hang from this, they can be closed down. This is the sleep, restart, and shut down. Sleep is amazing. 0.2 seconds it gets up. It's super fast. And this is to log out my profile. Now coming on to the Windows. Windows laptops are good, not bad. Let's go to the menu bar. We are currently using the Windows. Windows has a good user interface. Like from our birth, we got the Windows in our hand. So basically, Windows is about the speed of a Mac. Mac gets a superb speed in just 4 GB of RAM. Uh, and the special feature of Mac is multitasking. And n number of multitasks at a time. These are the desktops which I'm creating. Don't get amazed with this. I can create around 12 desktops at a time. Now let's see what does it work like. Taking your four fingers and sliding it on a trackpad. Second desktop. This is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and it goes on. And while working, you can get every desktop at a time. I'd like to show you a small trailer for this. I'll open a Safari. I'll full screen it. Slide it to the second desktop. I like to open my mails, and even I'll full screen it. Again, coming to the another desktop, I like to show you App Store. Full screening it. So for here, this is my main desktop. This is my App Store desktop. This is my mail desktop. This is my internet desktop. This is amazing. I mean, like, you get every desktops on another screen. And now see this. This is the App Store. This is the mail. This is the Safari, and another desktop running together without slowing up the speed of the Mac. Isn't it good? Still using a one application or max to max 2, the speed is good. It depends on the RAM too, but if you are using 2 or 3 more applications and big applications like on Mac, the speed goes down. Like if you are using a Photoshop and a video editor and internet, the speed basically goes down. support each kind of softwares. It gets a special support link that is .dmg file, whereas in Windows it's .exe and in Mac it's .dmg. I I suggest you to use App Store for downloading each and every applications on the Mac, and the options are torrents or else any way you get an application, but just it's a verified application or else your Mac can be turned off.
The best thing of Windows is software support. It supports everything. The softwares are exactly double of the Mac in the Windows. And there are many.
Talking about the battery backup on the Mac, as I said before, it gives a 7 hours battery backup on the Mac, or and a 12 hours battery backup on the new MacBook Air. That's enough for your day-to-day thing. I mean, like, you can charge it like a phones, use it for the day, and charge it back at the night when you are back at home. To save the brightness, this is the back key light option. Reduce the brightness, turn off the Bluetooth, and turn off the Wi-Fi if not needed. But now I'm keeping everything superb. Like, I want a good video for this, so
The battery backup of Windows laptop depends on the company. We use the brand. Dell has a good battery backup. Lenovo has a good battery backup. But
because a super performance with it's just 4 GB of RAM. Superb applications on Mac you get like Final Cut Pro or else Photoshop CS6, Aperture, and lot more. Still, if you use every applications at the same time, it does not even hang or the speed doesn't go slow. That's good enough.
as I said before, Windows is not useful when you use 3 or 4 heavy applications. The performance is good, but not very good.
Thing I like about the Mac is it is virus free. No need to spend $10, $15, thousands of rupees on your antivirus each month, every year. Nothing. MacBook is a virus free laptop. The Mac software has got so strong application that the virus cannot strike on the softwares.
This is very bad about Windows. You basically need antivirus in your laptop to prevent from viruses, because all the viruses has the main target to
Coming on to the App Store of a MacBook Pro. As you guys know, the App Store on Apple products are superb. Let's give a small glance for that. I've opened the App Store on another desktop. I'm in the same screen, the feature of MacBook. This is the App Store. I got lots of applications over here. Some are free, some are paid, but I mean, your work is done if you don't want to spend on. You get free products over here too. The features, top charts, categories, your purchase products, and especially your updates. This is good. So this were the updates.
now moving on to the App Store. The Windows 8 has the good App Store inbuilt. This is the store. This is the new
to the price. This is where the Apple Mac gets off, because the laptops or the laptops are much costlier. The normal price for a MacBook Pro is around 80,000 to 1 lakh, and for MacBook Air is almost 70,000 to 90,000, much costlier.
So this is a good thing of Windows. The price of Windows are very cheap nowadays. You can buy a laptop starting around 20,000 bucks till 1 lakh 50,000 according to your preferences. A normal man can buy Windows but not the Mac. These are user friendly. Windows are user friendly. One thing, they give a cheap products and a good products too. You just need to take care of them properly. That's it.